Here is the outcome. I love the roses. Hey guys, we're going to try a few different ingredients to come up with some, I don't want to call them ice cones or something, but I'm going to use this mold. This is a silicone mold that we're going to use to make whatever the flavors, the different flavors. Our first flavor will be, I would have preferred to have vanilla only. You know what? This is a different flavor. So I'm going to use vanilla and pistachio. I don't know whether it's pronounced like that, but that's my pronunciation. So let's do this. Our first mix will be watermelon. So we are going to add watermelon into our blender. Okay. Then we're going to put some water. This is dispenser water. And then we're going to add the pistachio and vanilla ice cream. Okay, I think that will be it for that mixture. So let's blend. This is the outcome. I think I need a glass. So this is the outcome. It's a bit light, if you ask me. I took a shot. It's yummy. It's so yummy. So we are going to put a shot. Actually, a shot is almost more than. I don't know how we are going to dry this excess. Okay, that's the first one. For the next drink, we are going to use grapes. You can see we have grapes. So we're going to add the grapes. We add milk. Just a reasonable amount. It's supposed to be like half a cup or something. Then we add ice cream, and that's it. We are not going to add water because it already has a liquid. So we have our second drink. Let me come with my shot glass and let me give it a taste test. It looks thicker. Amazing. So we also put it in our second cone or cup. Okay. I've never tried such a mixture and it's amazing. For the next one, we're going to use banana. But I'm going to use a very small portion because bananas turn brown when they when they are stored for a long time. So I'm just going to use this portion. So here it is. We're going to add it to the blender. And for this one also we're going to use milk. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit portion of milk. Enough to run the blender. and of course our ice cream, and I think that's it. So let's do this one too. So we have our ingredients. The lid has decided to get stuck and I have to be careful because of my nails. Damn. So here is our drink. Let's also taste it. Apparently the quantity was too little. You can see the ice cream didn't completely melt, but this is the outcome. Let's put it to the taste test. It's nice. This thing is really nice. And you will notice we did not add any sugar to any of these recipes, and you can see the outcome was just 1 glass for our purposes of the whatever the mixture we are making. It stops. The other recipe we're going to try with an orange. This is a pixie, so let's see how it goes. We're going to start with ice cream because I have to put the other remaining ice cream back because it is melting. Yes, then we have the orange. I'm only going to remove the peeling. I've never understood whether you're supposed to eat this or not. Comment down below if you think you're supposed to eat. So there you are. I think I'll use the whole of the orange. While we prepare, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We appreciate you. And if you have any video ideas you want us to try, we are ready. But I must say, I have now started feeling like I have a running nose because of this cold stuff. Yeah, and of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you would like us to do more of these videos, let us know. And I must say, this video was inspired by Face Rag. We are going to add some milk because I don't want to dilute it with water. Once again, of course, our mixture is ready. We are going to give it a taste test. So here is how it looks like. You can see. Let's give it a taste test. This is not all that, but it's not bad because of the ice cream. Yeah, so this is the next one. The last one is going to be very interesting because it's going to involve a cake. So this is how our Oreo cake turned out. I forgot to show you the inside. So see, this is how the inside looks like. and it was very delicious. Where? Watch out. And it was my first time trying an Oreo cake, imagine. Yeah, so let's do this last one. So of course this and this is same. I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one to come up with the 5 different recipes, or mixed 5 different mixtures. So the last one involves our Oreo cake, and it's something I also saw online, so I also want to try it out. So for this one, we're going to add a piece of cake there, and try make an ice cream cake. So we're going to add the ice cream and spread it so that it just freezes together with the cake. I don't know whether I'm supposed to add it when it's liquidish, but I want to do it my way and see how it goes. So that's how it looks like. I feel like I want to fill it up all around so that it covers the cake, but it's going to be hard if it's not liquid. Should I give it time to liquefy? I don't know. Let's see. Let's try it the way I'm trying and see. Okay, so that is the final outcome. So my biggest fear right now is how I'm going to get it to the freezer. Let me tell you how it tastes. My counter is clean. Let's wait for the outcome. So allow me to carry off camera because it's going to be a job. It was not easy, but we finally landed in the freezer. You can see there was some sort of mess here. This thing is silicone. Yeah, so that's why you expect some mess. Yeah, so that's the final outcome before it becomes solid. And then we wait. It's a few hours later. Let's see our whatever. I think they are frozen, so we're going to remove them. So this is the final outcome. The best thing about it is that it gives you a flower. So here is the final product of what we were making. What I love about it is the other side, which was creating the shape. Look at it, guys. How cute. Let me just turn all the others and we see. You can see this this thing spread a bit to this other one, and it was almost becoming messy because I tried to, gosh, let me turn them. Yeah, so here is the outcome. I love the roses. This was not liquid, so it didn't respect me to have the shape I wanted to achieve, but basically this is what I achieved. Yeah, comment down below if you have ever tried crazy recipes.